Hi everyone, welcome back. And if you're new here, my name is Janvi and I talk about growth, productivity, and in general, figuring out life. So, if this is something that you're interested in, please follow along. So, everyone is talking about making 2026 their year. Am I right? New year, new me, and all of that crap. But here's the thing nobody's talking about. Most of us, we are going to follow the same routine, the same advice, the same wake up at 5 o'clock and see how your life changes. No, it does not. I mean, for sure, if it works for you, waking up at 5 o'clock, taking a cold shower, and going for a run, if it works for you, go for it. But it does not work for me. And maybe it won't work for you as well because hell no, I'm not going to get up at 5 o'clock and jump into cold water. And I know this because I did it. At the beginning of 2025, I also wanted to upgrade in life. So the first thing I did was set my alarm to 5 o'clock. Get up, go for a run, take a shower, and get to work. But the problem was the moment I started working, my head used to pain or I used to feel sleepy, and the productivity was below average. And then I thought to myself, is it really worth it? Because I was more productive, and I kid you not, on the other days when I wasn't following this crazy routine. It is not productive if it's draining you. So, in this video, I'm going to share three life changing habits. And no, I don't mean get up at 5 o'clock and go for a run. I'm sharing three habits that worked for me, and maybe if you try it out, they will work for you too. So, let's get into it. Okay, habit number one, stop following people's routine. I get it. It seems aesthetic and it's cool to tell people I get up at 5 o'clock and take a cold shower. Yes, it's very aesthetic and very motivational to tell people, but it's not doable. So instead, fix a routine that will work for you. If waking up at 8 o'clock feels right, wake up at 8 o'clock, have a slow morning, and then get to work. Follow your instinct, whatever feels right. Getting up, working, follow your routine. Sit down, make a routine for yourself and follow it. Something that will align with your day, with your activities, with your schedule. And that is going to be more productive than somebody's wake up early and a cold shower routine. Trust me, make a routine for yourself around your schedule and then follow it every single day. Habit number two, respect yourself. For the longest time, I would say yes to anything. People would ask for help, I would say yes. People would ask to meet, I would say yes. Even if I didn't have time, I used to say yes. Reason being, I didn't want it to be that friend who says no because then the next time they would plan, they won't include me. I always had that fear of being alone, so I used to say yes to everything. But now I don't do it. I say no left, right, and center. You ask me for something and I don't have time for it, I am going to say no. You want something and you don't return it on time, I am going to say no. I'm going to put myself first, respect myself first, and then you and your needs will come second. This one thing has made me respect myself so much. I won't go back to pleasing people because that is something I don't feel important anymore. If you don't like me, great, move on. I don't have to always make people like me, and not because you are mean or arrogant or too self sufficient, but it's time to put yourself first and then others. And habit number three, invest in skills. This is my biggest, biggest request to you. If you are going to take anything from this video, please let it be this one. Invest in skills. Saving money and investing money won't be of any use if you don't have skills, because the most important thing for earning more money is for you to have skills. If you don't have skills, you're not going to earn more money, and whatever you have saved and invested won't be enough. So, one habit that you have to inculcate in yourself, and I request you to inculcate in yourself, is please, please invest on skills. try to learn as many skills as you can, because that is something that is going to increase your income exponentially. If you ask me, the best thing you can do is invest in yourself, invest in your skills. Maybe it can be learning a new language, sales, marketing, anything that is going to earn you income is an investment. Invest in yourself because you are your biggest asset. And I'm not kidding about this. Like, this is really important, and I think people don't emphasize on it enough. But investing in yourself is equally important as having a diverse portfolio, because we never include ourselves as an asset or an investment. We include land and gold, but you are as important as any of your investment. So, yes, 2026 can absolutely be your year if you stop listening to everyone else and start doing what feels right for you. The only catch is, if you invest in yourself, protect your energy, and respect yourself, you are going to be unstoppable this year. If this video resonates with you even a little bit, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And please let me know which habits will you be inculcating in 2026. And for more such content, please follow along.